Hi everyone, I will show you in this tutorial how to reverse a table. First of all, we need the class scanner to read the line. Scanner, system, in. Second, we need to enter the length of the table in next int. We need also to declare a table with this length. We need for loop to read the table, to enter the number in the table. Int e equal 0, e less than the length of the table, we put each number or each line in the table. Next, we need also for loop for reverse the table. Int g equal 0, g less than the length of the table, and we divide to g. Here we declare a variable. We put each element of the table in the variable, and this elements of the table we put the element of the end of the table. So table length minus g minus 1. And we put the last number in the first position of the table. Here, very good. After that, we output the result. Output E. We execute the program. Here, first number is the length of the table, for example 4. The first number of the table, for example 2, after that 6, after that 8, after that 10. Enter. Here we have the element of the table 2, 6, 8, 10. The reverse table is 10, 8, 6, 2. Thank you very much.